This isn't a job for me. This is a job for Spider-Man. This is it, Peter. This is the alien symbiote that landed in New York earlier this morning. Spider-Man, we're not completely sure what it is or what it does at this point. It looks like it has strong mutagenic properties. Would you like to take a peek inside? Why, sure I would. Perfect. It really is magnificent. Its molecular structure is quite fantastic. Whatever that means. What happened to me? It appears to have bonded with your molecular structure and turned you into a super soldier. Now that's cool. This should do me for my month's rent. Get back here with that money! Hey pal, I don't think that belongs to you. Crap, I gotta get out of here. It's the Spider-Man. Now, Eddie, you know that stealing's a bad thing to do. I hate you, Spider-Man! Man, I love this new suit.